Today, News 4 tracked down these specific allegations against the president and CEO of Great Circle. The nonprofit has locations across the state to help kids and families. Their president, Vince Hillier, was arrested yesterday for endangering the welfare of a child. He also faces an assault charge. News 4's Emily Pritchard joins us live from our control room after speaking with his attorney and digging into more court documents connected to the case. Emily?
Courtney, these court documents say the assault is connected to a video we showed you first on News 4 of what this paperwork describes as the defendant choking a child. His attorney today told me that's not true, and Vince Hillier has now bonded out of jail. You can see Vince Hillier's photo still remains on Great Circle's website. Today, its board of directors released this statement saying Vince Hillier has asked to be placed on administrative leave effective immediately. It goes on to say, "We remain confident in the therapeutic approach used in Great Circle facilities." Hillier's attorney claims the allegations are coming from disgruntled ex-employees.
In a nutshell, somebody did something wrong. They were fired for doing what they did wrong, and then they blamed the CEO of the corporation. That is not a criminal charge.
A grand jury has indicted Hillier on 2 charges connected to this video from April 17th.
I really felt uncomfortable.
A former employee told News 4 the video shows Hillier, who was on the couch, putting an autistic 12-year-old in a chokehold. What do you guys believe that video shows?
He doesn't choke anybody. Mr. Hillier acted appropriately in that situation. He was sitting with the kid for several minutes, approximately 10 to 15 minutes, and the child bit him, and he restrained him.
Hillier was originally arrested on another 6 counts of endangering the welfare of a child, which his attorney says covers different dates surrounding an alleged policy that states his staff couldn't call 911 for kids in need. His attorney says that's not true.
And yet they did take these people to an urgent care, and they were allowed to call 911. There is no prohibition on calling emergency services when it's warranted.
Former employees News 4 spoke with claim they worked in a toxic environment that is not safe for kids.
Even with the board, you know what I'm saying, the people on the board are his friends.
Hillier's attorney today told me Great Circle is a nonprofit that employs people all across the state and operates on a budget of $85 million. His next court date is set for June 18th. Live in our control room, Emily Pritchard, News 4.